love this combination. Simmer down, girl. This getting it. There's something to be said about a Fox body and that whole like sleeper look with the 17-inch ponies. I didn't think I was gonna like these on this car, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm kind of digging it. Now, I'm not even gonna lie. It looks so freaking fresh and so clean. It almost looks like it rolled off the showroom floor type look, you know? Check that out, guys. Oh man. So it's been a while since we've driven this car with drag radials, and we've never driven it with drag radials and the rear end operating correctly. So as you all know, I went in, rebuilt the rear end on this car, replaced the clutch packs in it. Now it spins both tires, and I'm pretty sure we're going to get a completely different result out of the car this go around with the drag radial. So what do you say we take it down the road for a quick drive and see how she hooks? Talk about that whenever we get home. All right, let's roll out, hit this thing in first and see what happens. Getting it. Woo, shit. Simmer down, girl. What a difference tires and a rear end makes. Guys, I'm not joking. Ran like that. So the whole time that I thought that this car was just slow, All it was the rear end was so worn out that it was only spinning one tire and the car wouldn't pull. Now granted, it's all over the road with drag radials, I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's moving at the same time. I mean, it's setting me back in the seat and she's humping, baby. I mean, I know this is a stock bottom end car, but she's on about 11 or 12 pounds with heads and a cam and some gears. Thing will roll, man. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed with how this car runs. I don't know what it makes to the, if I had to guess, I'd probably say this car makes 400, about 400 to the tires, maybe. I don't know, somewhere in there. Let's see if we can see our marks. So I know everybody's gonna ask, well, how does it compare to the Calypso? I'd say on 5 pounds of boost, the way the Calypso is right now, it's definitely quicker. It's a faster car. I mean, it should be. But it's not too far behind now. I'll definitely say that. I'll admit that. This car wouldn't completely get left in the dust, for sure. Man, I love it. I love it. All right, I'll catch back up with you guys at the house. Mafia, baby. And the great thing about all of this, guys, as much fun as I just had in that car, this car gives me the same type of good feeling, just in a different way, right? Each car has their own unique personality. I just want you to know that. I want everybody to remember that. Your car doesn't have to be what that car is, or what the Calypso is, or a race car, or what your buddy's car is. Make it whatever it is that works for you and makes you smile. I'm gonna be honest with you, as fun as that is, this car will stay put up a lot more than this car. This car can get out and about and go with me pretty much everywhere I go, and I can enjoy it. Every once in a while, I can go get in that car and have fun. Or if I really want to turn it up, I can go get in the Calypso. Look, I'm just giddy today. I'm so happy that this car is finally doing what it needs to do. Next up is gonna be the Calypso. We've got to get that thing where it hooks good, runs good. Or it runs fine, but we need some more fuel. We need to switch the rear end out, in my opinion, on the Calypso. But other than that, though, the Calypso is money now. Don't misunderstand me. It's money. I just need to get back on that car and finish it up like I did with the Retro Fox. I'm gonna go ahead, wrap this video up with a big old smile on my face. And as always, thanks for watching.